Hello my friends, welcome back to Keefe's Kitchen. I'm just gonna jump right into this. This is a video that I've never made before. Didn't want to have to make. I have to call somebody out. Call up my brother Cameron. We were having a debate, a discussion, a lively exchange of words about the best way to reheat pizza. All right, and he said you should put it in the oven or something, use an air fryer, whatever, microwave it. No. The most interesting and transformative way to make pizza more than just the sum of its parts, right? Cold pizza and hunger, all right, is to add French toast. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna French toast pizza. This idea came from Internet Shaquille on YouTube. Great channel, I think you should check it out. But he did this and I wanted to try it forever. And so I've got here, now, you know this is a no judgment zone, so I expect absolutely no judgment for this. This is Hawaiian pizza. There's pineapple on this pizza, okay? Love it or hate it, it's there. All right, I think it's gonna go great with the French toast, personally. But yeah, I'm gonna French toast this pizza, and we're gonna find out if I'm right or if he's wrong. Yeah, think about that. Let's do it. All right, here we go. We got some eggs and a bowl. I'm gonna do this in a little bit of a different way than I normally do it. I'm gonna talk while I do it. I hope the audio is pretty good. We're gonna do, I think, I've got about 6 slices of leftover pizza. Oh, this is a weird egg, okay. Yeah, we're gonna do, I think 5 eggs. 5 eggs should be good for 6, you know. Boom, 5 eggs in a bowl. Next, we're gonna do a little bit of 2%. All right, now, still good. All right, there we go. Just another win for me. All right, we're gonna add about a 1/2 cup in there. Black pepper, always good to have. That, yeah, there we go. Salt, there we go. A little bit more, there we go, okay. Now, Internet Shaquille, he did a little bit of smoked paprika. I'm gonna do the tiniest bit of cayenne. But I think that'll be good. Now, we're gonna whisk everything together. All right, that's looking pretty good. Let's get this milk out of here. All right, so here is our mix, and here is the za, okay? So I'm gonna take it and put it on this plate. So, pizza in the mix. Nice and, yeah. Oh! Okay, just set that right there. Boom, it's been 4 minutes so far, all right? Your oven wouldn't even be preheated by now. All right, wash your hands now. Scene change. Skillet. We'll put a little bit of butter. It's a non-stick skillet, but you know what? I'd rather be safe. So, skillet's on medium high, about 350. Come on now, butter. Can I get this butter all nice and melted? I've made a mistake. Once the butter is nice and melted, we're gonna take our French toast pizza, place it right on there. Crust side down first. Okay. Ooh, I hear a little sizzle. I'm pressing it down with my freshly washed hands. And I'm gonna go wash again. I'm gonna let these cook until the bottom reaches my desired level of crispiness. All right, so after a couple minutes, it's looking pretty good. This is gonna be my first sacrificial piece. I'm actually gonna let this go a little longer. So let's give this a little flip, I think. Oh yeah, some of that cheese is getting nice and dark down there. As you can see, I reflipped this one so I could get the bottom a little darker. I mean, when you think about it, French toast isn't all that crispy anyway, you know? Not bad though. Okay, well, that's disappointing. That's upsetting. I'm gonna take this one off. It looks okay. All right. Boom. And look at this beautiful plate. I'm being sarcastic, that looks really ugly. All right, well, you know what, let's try it. Let's give it a taste. All right, so this is my lovely wife, Hannah. She has the French toasted pizza. I have the microwaved pizza. Now, we're gonna give this a taste, and we'll let you know. And I brought her in because I didn't think you would trust me if I just said, oh, it's amazing. Oh, it's the best. So she's unbiased. Believe me, if I made something bad, she would let me know. And so we're gonna taste it together. So we're gonna cut this, and we're gonna give it some thoughts.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna start with the control, which is the microwave. Hold it steady. Oh no. All right, here's the microwave. All right, here we go. I mean, it tastes like microwave pizza. Not good, not bad. Give it a 4.
I'm not mad about microwave pizza.
Okay, I mean, look, out of necessity, if you go to microwave pizza, it'll do. Not the best, but it'll do, okay? 4 out of 10. All right, now, for the really ugly looking, but potentially better, French toast pizza. All right, here we go. French toast pizza. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no.
You look like you have strong thoughts. You should say them.
No one will understand.
You should say it.
They're purely Hannah thoughts.
You should say them anyway.
Crispier.
Mm-hmm.
That's a normal thought.
Yeah.
The Hannah thought is that it reminded me of Parmesan cheese crisp.
All right. Well,
like.
well, that's the well, it's not Parmesan, but it's mozzarella and egg that crisped up.
But the flavor, you know how it's
I guess, yeah.
Oh.
Let me taste a little bit of this French toasted crust. Because one of the things that Internet Shaquille said that it would do is make it taste a lot better. Would you like to taste some of the crust as well? Everybody knows microwaved crust tastes like dust. All right? It rhymes, so you know it's true. All right, so I'm gonna take this piece,
Okay.
and you take that piece.
What did he say about the crust?
He said it's supposed to rehydrate it and make it fluffy and good, and we're gonna find out. So here we go. I think that's pretty good. It did rehydrate it. Mm-hmm. It did kind of steam it a little bit. I feel like because of the egg.
A little chewy.
It's a little chewy, but I don't.
Sure, not.
It's not chewy in a microwaved kind of way where it's just like.
Chewy in a way that goes, hey, this has been rehydrated. Now I gotta chew it.
Yeah. just like that. I mean, that's normally what happens when you put food in your mouth. I gotta chew it. Yeah. What would you say if you wanted pizza and you had leftover pizza? Would you go through the trouble of French toasting the pizza, or would you just microwave the pizza? What would you do?
Depends on how hungry I am.
Okay.
But I'm glad you've done this to the pizza. Because I enjoy it. And
Okay.
it makes me think of Parmesan crisps.
Well, you heard it here, folks. This is it's a grand slam. I ran away with this one. Look, I'm speaking to everybody, but I'm speaking to Cameron specifically. Look, this is pretty good. I'm gonna say that you need to try it for yourself to determine whether or not you think it's the best. I think it's okay. I think I could have added more stuff. I think I could have made it taste better. I think I could have made more seasoning. I could have soaked it for longer. All sorts of things. But you know what? At the end of the day, it's okay. It's not bad. Everyone was like, ew, it's gonna be gross. It's not gross.
No, it's not gross.
It's not gross.
Unless you think Parmesan crisps are gross, you should go away.
Yeah, you heard that here too. So no judgment zone, except when it comes to Parmesan cheese crisps. So anyway, well, this has been Keefe's and Keefe's Kitchen. we're gonna let you go. All right, have a nice day.